Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got this big box from Boxycharm, y'all. Big box from Boxycharm. I'm excited about it. I did open it up, and I did see something, and I made a big boo-boo. But it'll still be all right. So this is how it works with Boxycharm. They have daily deals. This is from their drop shop, and this is from their January drop shop, and they have daily deals. So one day they might have some tools on sale. The next day they might have $5 deals. The next day they'll show you one product and have a pair. You get something you don't get to see for one price. Okay, so somewhere along the line, usually toward the end of the sale, they have different boxes on sale, and they might be previous boxes like November of 2021, for example. That's the kind of things that I usually get, and I get great deals. But here lately, they've had some mystery boxes, and I've gotten a couple of those. And this one was $15. It says that you're supposed to get 10 makeup must-haves, okay, for $15. So, but when you go into the shop, and I didn't know when this daily deal was going to come up. I couldn't find it. Sometimes after they start the sale, you can't find the daily deals. And I've been so busy. Well, anyway, I happened to go in, and there it was. And I showed you another deal that I got a couple of days ago, the $29 mystery bundle. I showed that a few days back. So this one was $15. So with that $29 deal, I went in, bought it, got out, because if you put stuff in your cart and you take too long, you'll go in to pay and it'll say that your products are gone. So if you spend over $25, you get free shipping. So that's how I did the $29 one. It was already over the $25. You do pay a $1.99 handling fee. Well, I went back in and saw the $15 one, and it was still available. I'm like, oh, I'm going to grab that. It's called Out Till Dawn Mystery Bundle. I'm going to grab that. So I go scrolling to find something for $10 or a combination of things for $10 to get me to the $25, because I'm not paying for shipping, y'all. I'm not doing it. So, and I couldn't find anything. I'm like, I'm going to miss out. So I took two mystery bundles, because in my head, I was thinking 2 mystery bundles. I wasn't thinking that they would be the exact same 2 mystery bundles. And that's what I got. So it happens, but I've got a lot of good stuff in here. This is heavy, and there's a lot of things. So I just have 2 of everything. So let's see what I have. I have 2 of these Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. I have seen this before. I've never gotten it before. Let's see. I'm sure it's sealed. Oh, it's not sealed. I'm really surprised it's not sealed. It's got a lot of, it looks really creamy and good. It says a tale of passion and cleanliness. A crew of idealists, soap nerds. Oh, it goes on and on. Anyway, it smells good. It smells perfumey. It's a nice body cream. So there's 2 of those. It's heavy too, y'all. It is 8.46 ounces. Cream, wholesome body cream. So I have 2 of those, okay? So I don't know the prices of these things, but it says that this, for the $15, the 10 items should value $190.50. So, wow. Yeah. So almost $200 of stuff. Okay. Then we got, this is from the Creme Shop. Let me show you one and I'll read one. It says, Holy Brow Eyebrow Powder Trio. Includes brush and spoolie from the Creme Shop. Okay, I know that the Creme Shop products are expensive. This is cute the way look how cute that opens. It opens, you can see in there. It also opens here, a flap on the side. So let's take that out. Okay, that is cute. Holy Brows. That is super cute. And oh, look at how pretty that packaging is. Their packaging is beautiful at the Creme Shop. So that is where you open it. And you know I always have trouble opening things there. Okay, it opens like that. It's a snap. And there's your 3 brow colors and a cute little spoolie. Very, very cute. Oh, that's adorable. Adorable. Okay, I have 2 of those. And next up, I have two of these. Let's see what they are. Sweet Spot Coconut Lime on-the-go wipes. pH balanced, glycerin and alcohol free, 98% natural it says. Made by women for women. Naturally pH. Glycerin and alcohol free, that's nice. Gynecologist tested and recommended. So that sounds to me like you can use these anywhere. If they're gynecologist tested, you can use this below the belt for purse, powder room, or gym. Instant sweetification whenever you need it. Luxe super soft cloths are bathed in gentle cleansers and soothing extracts of aloe vera, cucumber, and witch hazel, and water to deliver a pH balanced clean. So no glycerin, no alcohol, but it doesn't actually say one wipe per use and toss. How many are in there? Peel here. They feel very soft in this packaging. I don't know how many are in there even. Doesn't, if it says I'm missing it. They're way down here. 30 deluxe wipes. So nice to get. Not quite sure. I have a palette that there's a palette in here. I'm not really excited about the palette because of the brand. But let me open it. It's Ofra, and Ofra is not a brand that I really support because they have some racial tendencies. But I'll show it to you. It's wrapped up very nice, I will say that. This is called, here's the packaging. It's cute packaging. I will tell you, well, let me show you and then I'll tell you more about it. Good to Go, it's called. I have had Ofra in the past. It's beautiful to look at. It says, smile, you are beautiful. There's a plastic covering. Oh, here, it does lift off, but it's nice. This is gorgeous. They're gorgeous to look at. These come out. You can take these out and put them into, you can trade them out if you get more. It's really very pretty, the highlighter and everything, but I've had Ofra before, and to me, I don't even like the products. Some of these, like for shimmers for eyeshadows, but as far as the others, they don't stay on. And they have a lot of fallout. I don't care for them. I think it's gorgeous to look at, but I don't care for it. I do have one item from them that I do like and I do use, and it's the banana powder. But when it comes time for me, then that like goes, helps with dark circles under your eyes. When I'm done using it, which will take me forever because I don't use it all the time, I hardly use it, it will be, I won't replace it with their brand. Okay, next we have, there's a lot of little things then, and then some big, this is in here. There's two of these. They're sealed, so let me open it up. I've seen this bag and it's super cute. I've never seen it in person though. This is adorable. It says Boxycharm on it. Can you see that? It's stamped into the plastic. It smells like rubber. It says right here, there's a square and it says Boxycharm. I don't really think you can see it, but isn't that adorable? It's rubber. Like I said, it feels like rubber, and it has these cute pom-poms on it and a zipper, and it's a nice big bag. So you can push that out, and it's a flat bottom. Great cosmetic bag. And of course, because of the rubberized, it's you can wash it easily. It's super cute. Got two of those. I've seen it in Boxy for years, and I've never gotten it before. Okay, let me see. I've got all kinds of little things in here now. So this is, what was it called again? It was called Makeup Must-Haves. 10 Makeup Must-Haves Out Till Dawn Mystery Bundle. So, okay, we have Grande Glow. This is beautiful. This is a plumping liquid highlighter. Plumping. Now, Y'all, I don't know. I know this Grande Glow, they're all about plumping. They're about, you know, making your eyelashes, they have the liquids and stuff to make your eyelashes grow and things like that. So this is a plumping highlighter. Would you put this on as like a highlighter and you want your skin to plump? I am plump enough. So, but anyway, it's beautiful. I do have friends that love highlighters, so they will probably be seeing that. Oh, this is funny because I am missing something now. These are two, these are two, these are two. Okay. I'll show you what does not match at the end, which is fine, but I've got two of these. These are the Tresemme, I'm sorry, Tresemme, Trestique. These are a mini lip glaze, and these are usually, they're in English Rose. They're usually a crayon. Let's see. Now these are pretty nice. I've been told by people they're nice. I've had them before. Yeah, I've used this before, similar to this. This is a beautiful color. English Rose, and it's a crayon. And you open it this way. And, well, it's not quite a crayon. Okay, it just looks like one. But that's a beautiful color. It'll go nice with my blouse. It's you know, rotates up. That's beautiful. Very beautiful. English Rose. Very nice. I've got two of those. They're a little smashed. Those are a little smashed. Then we have, these are, I've got two of these. And I think they're eyeliners. I thought they were a mascara, but it's very light. This is Uoma Beauty Badass MF Matte Filler. Oh, lip liners. Okay, lip liner in, does it say the color? It says a bunch of numbers. Oh, Angelou. Like Maya Angelou. Is that what it's the only Angelou I know. Okay. So this is it. Very pretty lip liner. And it's a pencil that you sharpen. Let's see. Very nice. Very neutral. So I think you could wear that with a lot of different lips. A lot of different. And then we have Zoeva. That's very pretty packaging. And what is it? It is a powerful lip twist lipstick. Okay. And they are both in the same color, Helen. So a lot of these will be going in giveaways, y'all. So stay tuned. I've got giveaways coming. I always have giveaways. All right. It's sort of hard. There we go. Okay. So that is pretty. That goes nicely with that eyeliner, with the lip liner. Now, how do you open this? Here we go. That's very pretty. It's a lipstick, it says. It's darker than what that looks like to me. Isn't it? Maybe not. Maybe not quite. It's hard to tell. Sometimes it's hard to tell. But that's like a good chocolate. Very pretty. Very pretty, and it snaps closed, which is nice. And then I have these two. And these are not the same. So these are ColourPop. And one is Luxe Velvet and one is, well, they're both called Luxe Velvet. Okay. So let's open the pink one first. It is Ingenue. Well, they both have the same name. They just have different packaging. That's interesting. Okay. Ingenue, it is sealed, but the bottom is not sealed. So let's open the bottom. Where's my little tweezer to help me? Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Very, very pretty. Let's see what the other one, it's got to be the same thing because it's the same name. Okay, let's see. But I like the packaging on this better, don't you all? Look how pretty that is. Beautiful packaging with the flowers on there, pansies and things. It is the same exact inside. Yeah, these are beautiful. I have so many cream lippies, but I'm going to use one. I'm going to try it. Let's swatch because it's beautiful. So, oh, look at that. That came out of there funny. There's a nice mouth to it. So you're not going to get too much on you, which is really nice. and a nice big doe foot. And let's swatch it. Oh, it's very, very, you know, this is nice. It's creamy and it dries very quickly. So it's not going to be sticky. I don't like sticky. That's why I don't like lip glosses so much, because I don't like sticky, and that's not going to be sticky. It smells good. It smells a little bit like chocolate, I think. Anyway, so I will box this one back up. I opened the not pretty package and kept the pretty package for y'all, because that'll go in a giveaway. So anyway, y'all, what do you think? I spent $30, got 20 items. And I like that. Yeah, that's pretty. And but we got the Holy Brow. Cute. That is the cutest packaging. We got the Lippy and Helen. Zoeva, Lippy and Helen. I don't think I've ever had anything from Zoeva. I'm probably wrong about that. We got the lip liner, the Uoma lip liner. We got the Trace Stick, which I'm gonna swatch this too, because I love that. Let's swatch that. I think do I have this exact same thing? I don't think so. This is beautiful too. Oh, wow. Now that looks so dark to me, but it comes across a little pinker. That is beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay. And we have the highlight, the Grande Glow highlight. The wipes, which I'm not sure if they're gynecological wipes, y'all. I think they are. Do you know anything about this? Tell me. Sweet Spot. I think it is. But they're nice and natural. You could probably use them on your face too if you wanted to. Yeah. And it wouldn't hurt you. And then there is the Stone Street Soap House, which I have seen this many times on Boxy, and I've never thought to buy it or anything. That is a nice thick cream. I think it'll be very nice for, and it does smell good for dry skin. It's moving around a little bit. It's not horribly thick. So that'll be good for after a shower, after a bath. I thought this was well worth it. Oh, and then the cute little bags, the cute bags. These are cute. Super cute. Super cute, y'all. Oh, and the Ulfra palettes, y'all. I'm forgetting things. I'm sorry. The Ulfra palette, which it's beautiful. I will say that. But not my cup of tea. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this. I thought this was a lot of fun. I've got a lot of good products for myself and for giveaways. So thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.